Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a powerful way to do fuzzing and scanning that will seriously level up your bug hunting. As always, remember that ethical hacking requires proper authorization. Make sure you have explicit permission before testing any assets. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's get started. First, we begin with subdomain enumeration. For this target, I'm using the Chaos tool, which collects subdomains from certificate transparency logs, DNS PTR records, TLS scans, and other large-scale internet data sources. After collecting the data, we now have a list of approximately 3,000 subdomains. Next, we verify which of these subdomains are alive using HTTPX tool and extract their corresponding IP addresses. This process leaves us with 832 active hosts. Since many subdomains often resolve to the same backend server, we then remove duplicate IP addresses. After sorting and deduplication, we obtain a final list of 379 unique IPs. Now, save this list into a text file. You can also sort it directly using a one-liner command. I'm doing it this way so you can clearly see the difference in IP addresses. Now let's perform port scanning using Nabu to identify the top verified open ports across these IP addresses. This gives us a clean and validated port list. Next, we pass the Nabu results into the script. This will scan all the IPs with their discovered ports and perform service detection, version detection, and vulnerability checks. I'll share this script on my GitHub so you can try it yourself. The scan can take a long time, so I'm stopping it here, but you can let it run until completion. After it finishes, it will generate an output directory containing multiple XML files. Make sure to focus on the main XML file that contains the complete scan result. To analyze the data efficiently, I use an nmap parser script. By providing the correct XML file path, the script generates a well-structured HTML report. This report presents all hosts, open ports, running services, software versions, and potential vulnerabilities in a readable format, allowing us to quickly identify high-value attack surfaces before moving to manual testing. Additional features and usage options can be found in the tool's GitHub repository. And there is also another nmap parser script with great features that you can try. At this stage, we have IPs and open ports list, so we can start vulnerability scanning. First, we run Nuclei to check for known CVEs. You can scan directly using the IP list or the Nabu output, ensuring that all discovered ports with IPs are tested as well. You can choose any tags, but I usually focus on CVE templates. The scan may take time, so I'm interrupting it here, but this is a proper way to run it. Finally, let's perform content discovery using FFUF. The command fuzzes each IP with a chosen word list to identify hidden files, directories, and backup resources. While reviewing the results, it is important to analyze response size, status codes, and word count. Sometimes a normal page may appear just because the response size matches, so always verify manually. You can also include the Nabu port list so FFUF tests other internal services, since vulnerabilities are often present on non-standard ports. Additionally, pay attention to 403 responses. Some sensitive files are protected but still accessible through bypass techniques, so these endpoints are worth further testing. That's a wrap for today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're always updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.